Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later. Once confirmed, open Settings and tap Display and Brightness. You may be asked for a screen time passcode. If restrictions are enabled, enter it now. You want the light and dark appearance options visible. That's the control wheel switch. This immediate start avoids wasted setup time and gets you ready to activate dark mode without digging through menus. Now you'll enable dark mode and adjust scheduling. Tap dark to switch immediately and observe how system menus, compatible apps, and widgets adopt darker colors. This reduces glare and can save battery on OLED screens. If you prefer automatic switching, flip the automatic toggle and choose either sunset to sunrise or set a custom schedule with specific start and end times. Once done, check wallpapers and app display settings to ensure contrast remains readable across apps. Finish by refining appearance and handling common issues. You can go to accessibility display and text size to increase contrast or enable color adjustments. Smart Invert can help non-compliant apps mimic dark themes. If an app or the system doesn't update immediately, restart the iPhone and confirm apps are updated. Many apps require their own dark mode support. If problems continue, toggle between light and dark once more and reinstall problematic apps as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.